Next conversion, that is theoretical question. When propane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give A compound, when A compound react with aqueous KOH to give B compound, when B compound react with concentrated SO4 at 170 degrees centigrade to give C compound, when C compound react with mercuric acetate to give D compound, D compound react with H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid at 493 Kelvin to give F compound. When F compound react with bromination in the presence of non-polar solvent BR2 in the presence of CCl4, what is G compound? So simple trick students, the simple conversion, so that is propane. Propane means that is CH3 single bond CH2 then CH. This is propane. When propane react with Cl2 in the presence of sunlight, it undergoes free radical substitution reaction. Students, that is, we know here also two types of product will be produced, that is 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. So with chlorine will attack, it is the major product. Chlorine will attack this position and this position. We take the major product only, that is 2 chloropropane is the major product. So we get product that is CH3 CH Cl CH3. This is the A production, that is 2 chloropropane is formed. When propane react with Cl2 in the presence of sunlight to give 2 chloropropane, it undergoes free radical substitution reaction. This is A compound. When A compound react with aqueous KOH, it belongs to nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because of Cl minus is nucleophile, K plus and OH minus. This Cl minus is replaced by OH minus, so it belongs to nucleophilic substitution reaction. We get that product is CH3 CHOH then CH3. This is the B compound, that is 2-propanol. When B compound react with next one, what is the student? That is concentrated SO4, concentrated H2SO4 at 170 degrees centigrade. What is the role of concentrated SO4 student? That is role of concentrated SO4 is dehydrating agent, means removal of water, that is dehydration, removal of water. OH from here, H from here, we get product is CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus water. This is the C compound. When C compound, after that, what is the student? That is when C compound react with mercuric acetate, HgACO taken twice, mercuric acetate in the presence of H3O plus hydration. So it follow the mercuric acetate, student, we know that is it belongs to, that is oxymercuration. Student, it is oxymercuration. Already we did in previous video, student. Oxymercuration and demercuration. We know it follow the Markovnikov rule. What is the Markovnikov rule, student? That is addition of water. It follow the Markovnikov rule, that is addition, hydration. Hydration means addition of water, and OH group will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogens. OH group according to the Markovnikov rule, OH group will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. H plus will attack carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. So we get what is the production? That is CH3 CHOH CH3. This is the 2-propanol. This is the D compound, student. It follow the Markovnikov rule. According to the Markovnikov rule, this is unsymmetrical alkyl. According to the Markovnikov rule, negative part of the substance will attack carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. Out of these two, which one is less number of hydrogen? This carbon having less number of hydrogen. So that's why OH group will attack this position, H plus will attack this carbon. So this is the final production. This is the D compound, and C is converted into D compound. This is belongs to oxymercuration and demercuration. Then after that, H3PO4, student. H3PO4 at 493 Kelvin. What is the role of orthophosphoric acid? H3PO4. What is the role of H3PO4, student? That is also belongs to dehydration. That is also dehydrating agent, removal of water. OH from here, H from here. We get again product is CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is the F compound, student. This is the A B C D. This is E compound, student. This is the E compound. This is E compound, student. This is E compound. Again one problem. What is the role of H3PO4? It is also dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means simple dehydration, removal of water. Remove the water. OH from here, H plus from here. So remove the water, we get that is 1 propene. This 1 propene again student Cl2, 1 propene react, this is E compound. When E compound react with Cl2 in the presence of CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, that is chlorination. Chlorination in the presence of CCl4, that is electrophilic addition or free radical addition, it belongs to electrophilic addition. Chlorine in the presence of non-polar solvent CCl4, it undergoes anti-addition reaction student. It is very most important. CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH2 react with chlorine in the presence of CCl4, it undergoes anti-addition reaction. We get CH3 CH Cl, then CH2Cl. This is anti-addition. These two chlorines will attack opposite to each carbon. This chlorine opposite to this chlorine opposite to this one. So this is the anti-addition reaction student. These are the simple tricks student. So in first step is what happens student, that is propane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, it is free radical substitution mechanism. Then when 2-chloropropane react, 2-chloro, that is A compound is converted to B compound, 2-chloropropane is converted into 2-propanol, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. And nucleophilic, this is B compound react with constant H2SO4 at 170, it undergoes elimination reaction, that is dehydration to get C compound. When a C compound react with mercuric acetate, it belongs to oxymercuration, demercuration. So it follow the Markovnikov rule. So we get this is the decomposition. When D compound react with H3PO4 at 493 Kelvin, it is also belongs to dehydration. What is the role of H3PO4 student? That is belongs to dehydrating agent, that is removal of water. Dehydrating agent, removal of water, we get this product. When E compound react with Cl2 in the presence of CCl4, that is halogenation, that in the presence of non-polar solvent, that is anti-addition reaction, it is belongs to anti-addition reaction. This is the simple tricks, this is the simple conversions of hydrocarbons. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.